Hey everyone! Welcome back to Immigration YT where we break down the real stories behind US immigration news. No hype, just facts to empower you. You've worked hard for years in America, paid your taxes, and maybe turned to Medicaid for your kids' checkup or SNAP to put food on the table during a tough month. Now, a single proposed rule could make that history haunt your green card application, turning a lifeline into a roadblock. That's right, the Trump administration just dropped a bombshell on the public charge rule, and it could affect millions of immigrants chasing permanent residency. If you're an immigrant, have family abroad dreaming of the US, or just care about fair policies, hit that like button and subscribe for more updates. Today, we're diving deep. What does this mean? Who's impacted? And what can you do? Let's get into it. The basics and history. First things first, what even is the public charge rule? It's a long-standing U.S. immigration law from 1882 that's meant to ensure immigrants can support themselves without becoming a public charge, basically overly reliant on government help. For decades, it only looked at major cash welfare or long-term care, not everyday supports like health checkups or food assistance. Fast forward to 2019, the first Trump administration expanded it dramatically, adding things like Medicaid, SNAP, food stamps, and housing aid to the mix. This sparked massive confusion and fear. Families skipped doctor visits and school lunches to avoid looking bad in future applications. Studies showed a chilling effect, with even U.S. citizen kids losing access to benefits they were eligible for. Then, in 2021, President Biden hit pause, and by 2022, his team fully rescinded it, narrowing it back to just cash aid and institutional care. Relief for many until now. On November 17, 2025, the Department of Homeland Security under the second Trump administration proposed rescinding that 2022 Biden rule entirely. This isn't just a rollback, it's a green light for immigration officers to use broader discretion when deciding green cards. According to the official Federal Register notice, they'd consider any type of public benefits, yes, including Medicaid, CHIP for kids' health coverage, SNAP, housing vouchers, and potentially even more, like school lunches or community services. No more bright line rules, it's up to the officer's judgment, which could mean inconsistency across cases. Why now? The proposal ties into Executive Order 14218, aimed at ending taxpayer subsidization of open borders and promoting self-reliance. Supporters say it protects American resources for citizens in need, like veterans and those with disabilities. Critics, including groups like the National Immigration Law Center, warn it'll create chaos, deterring benefit use and hurting low-income families, even U.S. citizen children in immigrant households. Who's affected and real impacts? The proposal signals that past use, even short-term, could factor in, alongside future predictions based on income, health, and family size. For example, a working parent using SNAP during a layoff? That could raise red flags. Needing Medicaid for pregnancy care? Now potentially weighed against you. And get this, it might even look at family members' benefit use, amplifying the family-wide stress. Early data from the 2019 version showed a 20 to 50% drop in benefit enrollment among eligible immigrants, per Kaiser Family Foundation reports. In 2025, with rising costs and economic uncertainty, this could mean more kids going hungry or uninsured. On the flip side, the rule aligns with laws like the 1996 Welfare Reform Act, pushing for self-sufficiency, a goal many immigrants already chase through jobs and education. Important. This is still a proposal. There's a 60-day public comment period ending around January 2026, so advocates are rallying to fight it. Check the Federal Register for details and submit your voice. Conclusion and call to action. This proposed public charge shift isn't just policy wonk stuff, it's about real lives, families building futures, and the American dream staying accessible. Whether it fully rolls out or gets watered down, the message is clear. Know your rights, plan ahead, and don't let fear stop you from using supports you're entitled to. Thanks for watching. Stay informed, stay strong. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more on visas, green cards, and policy changes.
See you next time.